Hi and welcome to Preschool Genius. In this video, we will learn about one of the most beloved animals in the world, the cat. Yes! Are you ready? Let's start with some cool facts about cats. Cats are furry animals and one of the most popular pets in the world. They have 4 legs and a tail and come in many different colors and patterns. Cats are also known for their sharp claws and ability to climb and jump. They are excellent jumpers and can jump up to 6 times their height. You can often see them on the top of a garden fence or a really high wall. They also have excellent hearing and are very good at catching mice and other small animals. It is thought that cats have been kept as pets for thousands of years. In the past, they are used to keep rodents away from farms. One of the reasons is that they have a unique and graceful way of moving, with a smooth and fluid, elegant, and efficient gait. When they walk, their back paws step almost exactly in the same place as the front paws did beforehand. This keeps them nice and quiet and limits visible tracks, making them lethal hunters. They are also known for their incredible agility, which can run up to 30 miles per hour, and sharp claws that help them climb trees and catch prey. Amazing! Cats come in a wide variety of colors, patterns, and breeds, each with its own unique characteristic and personality trait. Some species are long-haired and require daily grooming, while others have short hair that requires little maintenance. The largest domestic cat breed is a Maine Coon breed, and the smallest cat breed is a Singapore breed, which is only around half the size of a typical house cat. Cats are also very social animals and enjoy interacting with their owners, as well as other cats and animals. They like playing with toys, chasing laser pointers, climbing on furniture, and scratching posts. Cats also have a wide range of vocalizations, from purring and meowing to hissing and growling, that they use to communicate their needs and emotions. For example, when cats purr, they tell you they're happy. Or when cats hold their tails up, this is a sign that interaction is welcome. However, suppose your cat is trying to make their bodies larger, tail held out stiff and curled around under their body, it means they're angry and must tread very carefully. Did you know that cats are clean animals by nature? They are known for grooming themselves by licking their fur. They have a rough tongue that helps them clean their fur and keep it looking neat. Cats also can sleep up to 16 hours a day. They do this to save their energy because, in the wild, they would be saving their energy to hunt for food. So don't be surprised if your cat always sleeps all day long. Cats are also known for their independent nature, often preferring to do things on their own terms and schedule. Cats also can find their way home through a process called sight traveling. Scientists think they navigate via the angle of sunlight or have magnetized brain cells acting like compasses. What an amazing creatures! The average lifespan for a cat is around 12 to 15 years. However, a well-cared cat may live up to 15 or 20, and a few extraordinary cats even pass 25 or 30 years of age. Cats age much faster than humans and live for a shorter amount of time. This means that when a cat is 1 year old, that actually equals to 15 human years. If you have a cat as a pet, it's important to take care of them by giving them food and water, providing a clean litter box for them to use, and taking them to the veterinarian for regular checkups. Overall, cats make wonderful companions and are a great addition to any family looking for a loving and playful pet. That's it. I hope you enjoyed learning about cats with me today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.